Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Rocketeer. I've launched a lot of flying things like this saucer and a 3D printing spool, filament spool like this, and my Terraformer. But I have never seen anything quite like Dave Brunsting's flying disc golf basket. I caught up with him at LDRS 41. This is his story.
All right, well, this is the flying basket of death and destruction. So a few years ago, I think it was about in 2018, I had a friend of mine tell me I need to combine my two hobbies, which are disc golf and rocketry. That gentleman's name's Larry Leonardi. He kind of provided the inspiration for this. We talked about it, and I thought, you know, I can make a flying disc golf basket. So what I tried to do is make a basket that fits the dimensional requirements that the PDGA has for a disc golf basket. The first two were just absolutely miserable. I couldn't figure out how to get the parachute out, and they just lawn darted. In this case, rebuilt it with fiberglass. These tubes here are all carbon fiber. All sorts of epoxy in between the centering rings here and the centering rings here, and a lot of plumbing parts, believe it or not. I got these carbon fiber rods this size because it worked with the half-inch fittings like this. So these fittings made it real easy to make this octagon basket here. And then I also designed this so that I could take this thing completely apart. I can take this top part off, take the basket part off, and I'm left with the center pole. It makes it a lot easier for me to transport, because sometimes I'll tape a Mobius camera on there, onboard camera. This thing's a lot of fun to fly, and a lot of people come by and say, what in the world are you doing? I've had people ask me if this was a chandelier. This is the chute cannon here, and I use a timer. This is the perfect flight timer I have, set at 3 seconds. And you know, you see the little battery in there. I don't know why I put it in a clear case. I don't know, it's just a cool idea at the time, I guess. And I have 3 gram charge in here, and I have I believe an 8-inch thin mill parachute, because you know, you want as light a parachute as you can get and as big a parachute as you can get, because you don't want this thing coming down real hard. So there you go, man. We gotta get a picture together. We gotta get a selfie here together.
I'm gonna do a 60-man picture of it, or like holding it up like that.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Oh, hell yeah, man.